In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell crypto with Bybit P2P trading. And before I do so, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. On this channel, I make video about cryptocurrency and to make money from it. If this topic interests you, please wait to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. By the end of this video, you will know how to buy and sell crypto with Bybit and how to spot scammers on Bybit. So please stay tuned. So to buy and sell crypto with Bybit, the first step is to open up your Bybit account. Then hit on this place that said asset get. So I'm going to explain how to buy it first before explaining how to sell. But then for you to make use of the Bybit P2P trading, your asset must be in the fund. If for example you want to sell, I have USDT on my wallet. If I want to sell, if I click down here, I'm going to see that I have USDT on my wallet. And if I want to sell my USDT, you get, sorry, ignore this. If I want to sell my USDT, the first is that I need to transfer my USDT in fund. You can use this to transfer it. Get, you can use this to transfer your USDT from Unify trading account to funding account. Get anyone. It's very easy. Self explanation. Ensure it is on. Ensure the crypto you want to sell is on your phone. You get. So now let's move over to the P2P option. The first step to hit on this home button. Get. Hit on the home button. Hit on this place that said in more. Once you do so, it's going to bring up plenty options for you. Just look for the P2P trading. Start on the P2P trading. When you do so, you're going to bring up the Binance P2P, the Bybit P2P trading for you. And just acknowledge this. As you can see, this is the Bybit P2P trading. On the Bybit P2P trading, you can buy and sell USDT, USDC, BTC, Intel, and Sharp. So now let me explain the buy first. The first thing for you to do is set the amount of USDT. For example, USDT you want to buy, click on amount. On this place, tap on the amount you want to buy. You get, let's say I want to buy $20, 20,000 naira worth of USDT. Hit on the confirm. It's going to bring up options of people that are willing to sell USDT. I want to sell USDT within 20,000 naira. You can see this particular guide limit is between 20,000 naira and 607,000 naira. You get. So as you can see, you can see it on this page. This is the topics for new user. You get. So Bybit is recommending people to actually buy crypto from this guy because they verify that this guy is actually a true vendor, because you can see that this guy completed 3,273 orders. Get. Why this particular guy is ineligible to sell for it, this guy is eligible. This particular person is also eligible because he has completed 103 orders. All they are all 100% completed. You can see this guy is willing to. You can still check the price. All that is to check for is checking the price that I want to sell. This guy want to sell for 133.6 naira. I can see that this guy want to sell for 133.5. And the idea is for you to buy from people that want to sell for you at a much lower price. You get. So as for you that is a new user, so it is best to actually buy with these topics. You get, this particular person that this Bybit recommend. So it's simple to buy. Just hit on the buy. Once you do so, type the amount you want to buy. You can type it in there or you type the amount in USDT. The first thing you want to buy 20 USDT, you can type it right here. Then hit on the buy. You get. Once you do so, it's going to bring up the next page, and if you hit on this, is just the summary of what you want to do. You want to spend 26 or 7 or 20 naira to buy 20 USDT, and you are buying 1 USDT for 1,336 naira. You hit on the pay now. It's going to bring up the person's account details, the person's account name, bank name, and the person's bank name. Get. So all you have to do to make transaction, transfer the money to this particular account. And once the person receives the money, they're going to release your crypto for you, and you're going to see your crypto in your funding wallet. Very simple. So right now I'm going to cancel this trade. You get cancel. That is the second time I cancel order. Okay. Click on confirm. So I've canceled the order. Very simple. Now to the sell order. So you click on the sell right here. On this page, this is where you sell your cryptocurrency. You get. The first step to do is to select the crypto you want to sell. Very easy. And this place, select the amount. I have $10 worth of USDT in my account. So if I want to sell it, I can just say okay, 10,000 naira. You get. Then hit on confirm. As you can see right here, it involves all people that are willing to buy my $10, my 10 USDT for me. You can see this guy wants to buy limit of 30 to 37. How much did I put? 100,000? No, say 10. So I have to remove one more zero. This, so this is 1,000. This is 10,000. So let me just confirm. Okay. So this guy's limit is 30,000 naira, and I'm wondering if this. So I'm just sorry. I'm wondering this. Let me type it again, since I don't know how to type. This 10,000 naira, right? Because the limit I'm saying right here is 30,000 naira to 337. That's what I'm wondering. And you can see this person's limit is 5,000 naira, because the limit is supposed to be 5,000 to 600 below. This I can't say to this particular page because the limit, like the minimum amount of USDT wants to buy in there should be 30,000 naira. You get. So all you need to do is to for people that are willing to buy from you at a much higher price. This guy wants to buy at a much higher price, but hopefully I can't say to this page. Wait on this sale right now. Let's see. Let me show you. Wait on this sale right now. It's going to load, and I want to say my USDT. Oh, so the value is below the limit. The limit is actually 22 USDT, which is 30,000. So I can't set to this place. So but you can set to this guy because the limit is 5,000 naira to sell. It on the sale, right? Into the sale, type on the amount or the like the amount of USDT you want to sell. This please add your payment. Add the payment method is very simple. Simply put the account name you should put should correspond with the name used already for the Bybit account, your bank name, all of those stuff you get. So once you type in the amount, put your payment, hit on the sale. Once you do that, the person is going to receive your sale order and the person is going to transfer the money to you. Once you have received the money in your account, you have confirmed. That's the only time you can come to this place to release your crypto. You get very easy. So guys, this is a simple method of buying and selling crypto with Bybit P2P trading. If you find this video helpful, leave it to like, leave a comment for me in the comment section. You can comment simple as thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon for more of this kind of content. Friday this year, peace out.